Thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. Short video on the Bitcoin price. We're going to go over where the market is right now. We're not going to make any price predictions, but I would like to show or display to you where the market has potential to find support. One level as a potential support level, one level as the buyer's obligation where it needs to break above in order to make a new high, and make this short video really simple for everyone to understand. So welcome back, loyal family. And if you're new here, we only explore price action. So let's not waste time. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today is August the 2nd, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin, $39,002.12, slightly negative 0.4% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, so welcome back. ASMR, interesting analysis. Here is the lines. Really simple. Okay, I'll explain everything. So, ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at the 38.5K level, obviously. The DB means something. The 42.2 means something. I guess let's just start here at the HL. So, if you are new, we go over support, resistance, patterns. Higher highs and higher lows is what you need for an uptrend, and the opposite for a downtrend. So, right now, Bitcoin is in, let's just kind of use this area right here for an example. Just this price action right here when it went down to $29,500 and as high as 42.2, just this area here. So of course you're looking for higher highs for an uptrend, yes? So the market went all the way down to 29.5, up, just kind of walking up the stairs here, really volatile up in this area. So since we are looking for higher highs and higher lows, the HL stands for a higher low as the sellers attempted to push a price down, but the buyers kind of scooped that price up and continued higher to make a higher high. HH stands for higher high. And of course the market went down. This is technically a higher low. I didn't put a higher low there, but I guess it's a higher low, right? And then the market went up. Higher high. So right now, instead of the market making a higher low, we are potentially up against a double bottom scenario with these two areas here at about 38.5. Okay, that's why we have a question mark of the DB. We're potentially making a double bottom. Now this would be an ideal scenario if the buyers are still here, which I do think the buyers are here. I know some are asking, wait a minute, I thought you said the market would go up to 43.8. That was my conservative price target. It's not guaranteed to make it up there. Is it still possible to make it up there? Sure, but this one level at about 38.5 will determine, or actually make me feel a lot more comfortable as to whether or not it would actually make it up to 43.8 if the 38.5 level can hold. So let's give this market another 24 to 48 hours to see if this will be a double bottom scenario at about 38.5. And if it is, the buyer's obligation would be, if you're new to like this, like hear me talk about obligation, that just simply means it must happen in order for the uptrend to continue here in the short term that we circled, okay, from 29.5 up to where we are now. If it finds support at 38.5, yeah, it must break above 42.2. That doesn't mean that it's going to. I'm saying it must in order to show buying strength to continue the trend, the trajectory, okay? So let's wait and see what's going to happen with that. But hopefully, if you guys are pulling up your charts out there, I'm using TradingView.com. If you could start a free account, it's going to be limited to the time frames that you look at, but definitely at least start a free account and just start putting like HL, higher low, and then HH for higher high, and just kind of get yourself familiar with it. I really think that it'll help, with you just kind of understanding price action. Obviously, a lot of people challenge price action, but the one thing that they fail to understand is technical analysis is one thing. That's me trying to determine the direction of the market. But price action has been around for longer than any one of our ancestors were even thought about. Okay, this has been around forever. Price action. Okay, this is everything that you see, like the numbers on the stock markets and everything, are all derived from this. What we're looking at, price action. Okay. So again, it's okay to familiarize yourself with the higher highs and higher lows, just to kind of get an understanding that if the market makes a double bottom, it needs to make a new high. If the market makes a double top, right, then it's likely it will re-challenge the support level and potentially break down below that level. All right, and just once you kind of do this over and over and over, you just it'll start making sense after a while. So you definitely pull up your charts and practice the HH, the HL, the DB, the double tops and double bottoms, stuff like that. Okay. And I think that will be helpful. So this is more of a lesson, and I'm not making any predictions here. We did get sell signals at about 40,000 for Bitcoin. Pardon me there for the lag, and I should have guys stopped and let you guys know that before it broke down below 40. But actually, I think it will make it back up to 40,000. But please don't enter the market based on me thinking it will go back up to 40,000. Okay. So let's see, 40,000. We got the signal at about 40. It was actually higher than 40,000, but let's just say 40,000. It's only 2.4% down from that level. So my job here in terms of us posting that video, hopefully leave a link for it right now, in terms of us saying that we had a buy range, which is in between 28.3, all the way in between 36.4. We just recently got the buy signal at 40,000. So made a profit out of the market, out of a small position. We have long-term Bitcoins. But that is it, okay? So hopefully you guys are, you caught that part, okay? We did get sell signals, all right? So that's it for now. Yeah, pull up your charts, and that is it, guys. 42.2 would be the level it needs to break above here in the short term to continue the trend. And that's all we have for you for now. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video to support this channel. The YouTube algorithm can promote this video if you can do that for us. Also, if you're new, we covered the traditional stocks. If you're into that 7 days a week, kindly join us here on this unusual, very interesting journey at times, and we'll see you that information when it is available. All right, thank you for your time, guys. Take care of yourselves. Execute your strategies in the market. We'll talk soon. Always be kind, okay? And bye for now.